I'm going to show you how to turn baking soda into washing soda. So we're going to pour our baking soda into our baking pan. Do not use an aluminum one. So you're going to use a glass one as preferred. So then we're going to do 2 pounds of baking soda, and we're going to turn it into 2 pounds of washing soda. And we're just going to sprinkle this down. And then next we will spread it around. And then we're going to turn our oven on to 400 degrees. Spread out here. And it'd probably be better if I use 2, so I'll probably get another one and separate this and just do a pound in each one. Next we're going to turn our oven on to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's start. And then you don't have to preheat your oven, you can just put these in right away. So I'm going to do that real quick. And then we're going to set our kitchen timer for an hour and a half. Hit start. And when we pull it out, we'll have washing soda. And now we removed the baking soda from the oven. And now we have washing soda. Hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.